I say data is my edge, right? Because I've been doing this for
Mm,
so long and I have
yes.
the analytics and back end data of I've seen hundreds of channels, right? Everything. So I see everything.
Yes.
But then intuition is my superpower, right?
Oh,
Because
so
I
good.
have very much like so much of what you said about the heart, the cart, the art, the heart and the art.
Yes.
And a lot of people, especially in the YouTube space, especially a lot of the men that teach about YouTube, it's straight to the like SEO,
That's
monetization,
right.
make $1,000 a week, make 5,000 a month. Which, yes, but to me, when you've got the heart and the art in alignment, the money
Yeah.
flows. And I think that's what
Yes.
you're saying, right? It's like
It's
the
exactly.
more in alignment that you are, the more the money is just it's gonna flow because
That's right.
you're just in your own intuition. And it's very, it's almost a spiritual practice when you can
That's right.
really tune into that. And so I am like, data's my edge because the data to me is nuts. Cause at the same time, as much as I love the woo woo and the intuition, I also love making money. And I like helping people make money because money to me equals freedom. Money is validation.
Yes.
Money is proof in the real world. Money is proof in the 3D that like everything is on the right path.
That's
Right.
right.
So it's like the whole thing of the data is the edge because that's validating the intuition. So I so much of everything that we do with YouTube and as women, and that's why I'm so passionate about women and helping women and like really helping them. So much of my work of what I do is really helping women get in tune with their intuition because the
Yes.
intuition and what's within is actually going to give them the answers. And like I feel like you're embodying that as a creator, Melissa. Maybe that's why I was like so attracted to you and like wanting to interview you because I could feel that through
Mm,
like I just could feel that like you're in it. Like this is like what you're doing. So I just love that you said that about the intuition because every single step of YouTube from the ideation to how you show up on camera to your thumbnails, like it truly is, it should be governed by your intuition, right? At the end of the day, that the data is gonna validate it, but that intuition is gonna lead it.
oh my God. I have goosebumps head to toe. That is so powerful. I see that 100%.
Mhm.
You are like I don't even know what the analogy is. I see like the iron rod, like you are like the queen of being able to hold the deeply divine masculine
Mhm.
of
Mhm.
this crazy busy algorithm, but also like the intuition. It is 1,000,000% truth what you're
Mhm.
saying, and it
Mhm.
is your sixth sense. So what's so cool is what I'm hearing you say is like you can see the future for creators and where they can be most successful, and then you can use the data to help give them the receipts.
Yes.
It's so powerful.
Yes.
Goosebumps,
And the hardest
goosebumps.
part though is actually having a lot of times for people that are very much in their heads, people that are perfectionism, people that are taking and hearing advice from the very masculine hustle culture.
Totally.
It's like they're almost losing that a little bit, that if they
Yeah,
don't get that immediate response of how many people bought it? How many people bought it? Well, this video I uploaded, nobody bought. It's like you have to separate yourself from that because if you keep using that as your guide, it is going to drain you and you're going to lose all sense of creativity and fun from this. And the fun and the passion and creativity is actually what's going to get people to want to watch you. So
that's
if
right.
you're leading based on how many pieces of items you sold in that one video, and I understand that is a proof, that's a validation, but if you lead with that, it's going to be a really hard road.
That's right. It's 1,000,000% truth.
Mm-hmm.
And you couldn't have said it in your way better. I feel like that's my daily practice, and that is
Mm-hmm.
what I strive to embody every single day. It
Mm-hmm.
gets hard. It gets hard because money, this crazy little paper money on planet Earth, we
Mm-hmm.
forget we have
Mm-hmm.
so much of a bigger superpower than that.
Yeah.
We do. We have so much more power. Our creativity is our money.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying to myself these days. My creativity is my money. My creativity is my intuition and my action combined in
Mm.
real world form. And that's why I say money is creativity returned to me. It's
Yeah.
my creativity coming back to me.
Mm.
So my only responsibility is every day I get to show up and create.
Mhm.
And even if it's just a little bit, that is my job. My job
Yeah.
is my own truth in that this creative space.